You spend hours studying, but the next day, most of it is already gone. Sounds familiar? The truth is, your brain isn't broken. It's just designed to forget things it doesn't use. If something doesn't feel important, your mind quietly deletes it to save space. That's why so many students feel like they're working hard, but not improving. But here's something interesting. Some students manage to remember massive amounts of information for years without constantly restudying everything. So what are they doing differently? It's not more effort, it's better strategy. Let's break down a few simple methods that actually work with your brain, not against it. 1. Recall. Instead of rereading, most people study by reading again and again. It feels productive, but it's passive. Real learning happens when you force your brain to pull information out, not just take it in. So instead of opening your notes again, try this. Close everything. Grab a blank page. Write down everything you remember about the topic. At first, it will feel difficult. That struggle is exactly where learning happens. 2. Learn in small pieces. One of the biggest mistakes is trying to study too much at once. A better approach is breaking information into small daily chunks. When your brain gets smaller, manageable pieces consistently, it builds understanding naturally over time, without overload or stress. Small steps, repeated daily, always beat long cramming sessions. 3. Review at the right time. If you forget something quickly, it doesn't mean you're weak. It just wasn't reinforced. Instead of reviewing everything in one sitting, space it out. Go over your notes. After a day, then a few days later, then after a week. Each time you revisit, your memory becomes stronger and more stable. 4. Improve a little. Every day. You don't need massive study sessions to improve. Even small daily progress builds powerful long-term results. A little improvement every day compounds into something big over time. It's not about studying harder. It's about being consistent. 5. Train your focus. State. Your environment matters more than you think. When you study in the same place, with fewer distractions, your brain starts recognizing it as a focus mode. Simple habits help. Keep a clean study space, remove unnecessary distractions. Start with a small routine before studying. Over time, your mind learns to enter deep focus faster. Final thought. Studying isn't just about time. It's about method. Two people can study the same thing for the same hours and get completely different results. The difference is how they use their brain. So instead of trying to memorize more, try learning smarter.